Welcome back to Booze and the Rocks, where we make cocktails for everyone. My name is David Edwards, and today we're going to do something different with a smash. We're going to add tequila. Let's get into it. All right, it's great to have every single one of you back here today. We are taking a look at the Reposado Peach Smash. Now, the original whiskey peach smash was created by Degreoff in the 80s, and he was a huge proponent of using real fruit in his cocktails. Now, the whiskey peach smash is a cousin to the mint julep. Both have mint in it, both have whiskey in it, and both taste awesome. However, I decided to take it in a different direction. After sitting down and looking at my shelf and saying to myself, what could I do differently? And then I looked at my tequilas and I said, I've got tequila and I have Reposado tequila. So my mind went, oh. After I was done squirreling a few times, I came back to the original idea of a Reposado Peach Smash. Simple, easy, and it's gonna taste great. However, look at the size of the tiniest peaches known to mankind. And look at the size of my lemon. That tells you something, doesn't it? Anyways, simple, easy, let's get into it. Grab your shaking glass. The first thing you're going to need is a little bit of mint. And we're going to use 5-6 mint leaves, maybe 8 or 9, depending on the size of your leaves. First, we're gonna give it a bit of a slap, throw it in there, and we're off to the races. Move your glass off to the side and grab your knife. Play musical glasses while you're at it. Next, you're gonna grab a peach, and there's a good way to actually cut a peach, and it goes like this. You're gonna place the knife directly on the seam, and you're going to rotate the peach. You don't wanna apply too much pressure, or you will actually cut the pit. Grab both pits, and it should twist off, just like that. Beautiful. Now, the next thing you wanna do is take your half that you have and cut it into 4 peach wedges. We're going to put one off to the side for the garnish, and then we're gonna take the other 3 pieces and throw them in like this. Looking good so far. Now that I've moved the glass, I'm gonna move it back just a little bit because we're going to grab our lemon. We're gonna cut this in half through the middle like a barbarian. And now what I'm going to do is squeeze out 3/4 of an ounce or 22.5 milliliters. Looking good, smelling good. We'll save this for the next cocktail. Bring this over here and grab your muddler. Now what we're going to do is we're going to muddle this gently. And what this will do is this will start to release the oils from the mint, and it will begin the pulverization process and start spreading the juices and the oils together evenly. Perfect. Clean this off because clean tools are important. The next thing you need is your Reposado tequila of choice. I'm using Alto's Olmeco Reposado tequila, and Reposado means rested, and usually it's from anywhere from 2 to 3 to 4 months in oak barrels. And we're gonna use 2 ounces or 60 milliliters. Yes, look at that. Now you need a little bit of a sweetener. Most smashes use a simple syrup, which is 1-to-1 sugar or water. You can sometimes go rich simple syrup, but you'll use less. However, because I'm using an agave, 100% agave Reposado tequila, I want to use 100% natural agave syrup. And we're going to use 1/2 ounce or 15 milliliters. Yeah. Now we're done adding stuff. What we're going to do is we're going to add some more ice. And that's really funny that I just said that. Somebody actually pointed that out to me in a video and they started laughing. So what we'll do is we will shake this for about 10 to 15 seconds. What this will do is this will pulverize the rest of the peach and continue the boozing process of the mint, and you should get a really good combination of flavors. Slap that off with the strength of 1,000 mini peaches. Get that off to the side because we don't need this. Move this here. Grab your rocks glass of choice. I'm just using a classic rocks glass, simple, easy, elegant. Use whatever you want. Could be a mason jar, Could be a coffee mug for all you care, because it's your drink, right? Grab some more cracked ice. And now what we're going to do is we are going to fine strain this because we want to get all of the little bits out. Yeah, look at that. Gorgeous color, yes. So what we're going to do now to garnish this is you're going to grab a nice piece of mint. We're gonna slide this in here like perfect. Let's give it a smell. So immediately you get those smells and hints of the mint because it's right there. Now I didn't slap my mint and bruise it and waking it up, but you could definitely do that if you choose. You can smell a little bit of the peach and a little bit of the tequila. Oh, beautiful. Perfect for any time of the year. Great for summer, hot weather. You definitely get that mint. It's strong but not overpowering. It blends great with the peach, the agave, and the lemon. Even it out beautifully. Oh, this is awesome. What I am going to do is I'm going to put the ingredients and the method of how to make this down in the description below. If you think that I should use a different type of tequila, please put it down in the comments. If you think we should use a different sweetener, maybe even a different fruit, and try a new thing, please leave a comment. If this is your first time to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and make sure you hit that bell notification. That way, every time we put up a new video, you will be notified. And if you'd like to help support the channel, please check us out at because every little bit helps us to bring these videos to you. You have a great day, and this is a smashing success. I need this to actually do its thing properly. Okay, it's not going to twist off, and I apologize in advance. The peach doesn't want to let go.